Welcome to Rise Windows. Today in this video I will be showing you how to open Registry Editor on Windows 11. So let's start. You can have the written content on the risewindows.com. Here I have written all the methods to open a registry editor on Windows 11. So I will be demonstrating some of them in this video. So let's do it. First we will be going through Windows search. To do so, click on Windows Start, type here Registry Editor. Click on Open. It will open the Registry Editor. Before that, it may ask you user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'll be selecting yes. To open the Registry Editor on your Windows 11 PC, you have to click on yes. And you can see that Registry Editor has been opened on your PC. I will close it now. Next, we'll move on to our second method, which is throw run command. For that, go to search and open run command. You can also directly open run command by pressing Windows plus R button. On run command, you just only have to type regedit, regedit, and you can press enter and click on OK button. So I'm clicking on OK. Again it is asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'm selecting yes, and your registry editor will be opened. Now I'm going to close it and I'm going to third method, which is through command prompt. So again I'll be going to search. I'll be opening command prompt from here. I'll click on open. When command prompt will open, I'll type same command regedit here and will press enter. Again the same message will come. We'll click on yes, and my registry editor has been opened on Windows 11. So if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press bell icon to get our latest notification directly in your inbox. Thanks for watching.